Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're talking about COTI Coin. Can it break 10 cents? Let's dive into the latest price analysis, resistance levels, and what to expect next. COTI is currently showing steady growth, gradually moving upward over the last 18 days. The market cap is around $160 million, with a trading volume of $62 million, giving it a strong volume-to-market cap ratio of around 40 to 50%. It's available on all major exchanges and has been gaining attention. The key resistance level to watch right now is 10 cents. If COTI can break and hold above this zone, we could see a push toward 11 cents, followed by a potential move to 15 cents. In a more bullish scenario, it could even reach 27 cents. However, there's a lot of price action noise, meaning COTI has multiple resistance zones to clear before a big breakout. For those looking to enter, the best buy zone was around 6.6 to 6.7 cents. Right now, the price is hovering near 8.9 cents, and the next solid entry point could be around 7.5 cents. If you're already holding, the 10 to 11 cent zone is critical. Breaking above this could trigger a larger rally. That's the latest analysis on COTI Coin. Do you think it will break 10 cents? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto updates.